Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, Stephen Apple from Apple Coaching, Creative Forces for the Future. Right behind me is a building that we sort of looking at taking ownership of. It's the top floor and it's right in front of our beachfront. This beachfront here is actually St. Heliers Bay. And I love to take one of these properties. Let me see if I can change this around a bit. I don't know if I can. Oh yes I can. Nope, I can't. But anyway, the basic principle of this video is really to show something that if you want something so much, you got to be prepared to take advantage of it. This building behind me, the shorter one, that's it. It's called Pipi Mea. I don't want to take ownership of it, but of course there's another one just behind us, the taller one, and that's also available for sale, whichever the case may be. And it's to do with how bold are you to take something you like and give it a go, that you can take ownership of it. Here's the wife. I don't know if she's enjoying it, but she's soaking up the sea breeze. But today's a little bit windy. I don't know if the recording's going to be any good, but otherwise I'll do another one later if I can get home.